Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Make sure the Samsung TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. Turn on the TV and open the source or connection menu. Enable screen mirroring or smart view so the TV accepts incoming casts. Once done, open the app you'll use to cast, for example YouTube or Chrome, because selecting the cast icon, there is the actual trigger that tells the TV to connect. Next, on your phone or laptop, find and tap the cast icon in the app or in System Quick Settings. You'll see a list of available devices. Choose your Samsung TV by its name. If the TV shows a connection prompt, accept it with the remote. This step verifies security and pairs devices. Once paired, the app stream or your screen will mirror. If you need audio routed to TV, check the app's playback settings or system sound out. To finish, stop casting from the app or your device's quick settings so the TV returns to normal. If casting fails, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, quit and reopen the app, or reboot the TV. These steps clear temporary network or software issues. Make sure TV firmware and the casting app are up to date for best compatibility. And if you still see lag or no audio, switch to a different casting app or try an HDMI cable as a final confirmation that the TV's casting function is working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.